Introduction to random numbers, recalculation, and stabilizing values. Create a random number by typing =rand, open parenthesis, then close parenthesis, followed by enter. Almost all worksheets have automatic calculations. This means the random number will change with each calculation. Convert the random number formula into a value. Select the cell with the random number and hit the Ctrl+C keys to copy, then right-click and select Paste Values. Now, the random number won't change. Use multiplier to set random number boundary, and convert to integer, no fraction. I'll begin by creating a random number that is less than 10. Make the formula by typing =rand, open, then close parenthesis followed by asterisk, then the number 10. Next, I make a random number that is less than 1000. I'll enter the same formula in cell E8, replacing the number 10 with 1000. I'll format the values as integers by clicking the Home tab, followed by decreasing the decimal. Click Formulas tab, then the Recalculate icon to test the formulas. Convert random number into stable values rather than formulas. We don't want our random value to change with each calculation, so we convert them into values using the clipboard. Using the mouse, select our random values, hit Ctrl+C keys to copy. Right-click and select menu item Paste Options and Values. Now, recalculating the worksheet has no effect on our random numbers. You can see that they have changed from formulas into values. Using the random between function to create random number between two values. We'll select a cell and type equals, followed by random between. We can select it from the drop-down, then click on date 1, followed by date 2, then enter. The date is formatted as an integer. This is not what we want. Click the Home tab, followed by the number drop-down, select short date. Now, you will see the date change with each calculation. Again, we convert the formula into a value by selecting the cell, hit Ctrl+C keys to copy. Right-click and select menu item Paste Options and Values. A demonstration of how to use random numbers in worksheet design. I'll make a prototype pivot table and chart for management. I'll start by making a random date between January 1st and December 31st, 2021. I select the entire formula and hit F4 to create absolute cell references. Next, I copy the month function and quarter formula and paste them into columns E and F of the current row. I copy the formulas to the bottom of the data range. Then convert all formulas into values. I hit the Ctrl+Shift+Spacebar to select the data, followed by Insert Pivot Table and Chart. I select quarter for the series, month for the axis, and sale for the values. I move the chart out of the way. I format the pivot table as dollars without cents, then I zoom the sheet to 80% of its size.